Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, I am doing my favorite video of the month, my Sips by Tea unboxing. It's tea testing day. If you don't know by now, I am a big fan of tea, and Sips by is kind enough to send me this box every single month full of mystery teas, and I get to try them out. And that's what I'm doing today. So if you don't like tea, I guess I'll see you in the next video. But if you do like tea, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Enter my giveaway. It ends tomorrow. I'll leave that linked in the description box below. There's a lot of free makeup that you can win. But today is all about tea. So let's get into the taste test. So it looks like I just opened the box. This is what it looks like, and it did come with this. So this is a code that you can get your first box free. So the code is Sip Together, I think. Yep, the code is Sip Together, and you can get your first box for free. It's basically a $15 gift card. If you don't take advantage of that and get a free box of tea, I don't know what you're doing with your life. So everything about this box will be linked in the description. Every tea that I mention, my code, their code, how to get your own personal tea quiz, all of that will be in the description box below. So if you want more information like that, check down there. They do customize it to every customer, so what you like is what you're gonna get, unless you want to be surprised like me. But I've rambled a lot, so let's just get into the box. So like I said, this is what the box looks like for this month. We got the December tea card, and then on the other side it says made for Megan, and then has the 4 teas that I got this month. And then there's the box. So it looks like we got a lot of different stuff here, but let's read off what we got on the card. So the 4 that we got are the Marie Curie Radiant Hibiscus by the Tea Book. We have a Peppermint Mate by Savoy Tea Company. I wonder if this is like the Savoy Hotel, because like, I doubt it is, but if it is, it seems like we have kind of like a British theme to this box, which I'm here for. If you didn't know, I lived in London for 6 months this year, and I'll link all of my vlogs below if you want to see those. But I got tea'd at a restaurant, or at a hotel called the Savoy, which is like the nicest hotel in England while I was there. So I'm wondering if it comes from like that kind of tea company. The next one was the African Sunrise Green Tea, which I do like a green tea, and this is from Churchill's Fine Teas. There is definitely a British theme to this month's box. And finally, the last one, British Brunch from Smith Tea Maker. So it looks like we got a couple high caffeine, which high caffeine is my favorite, and then we got a low caffeine and a caffeine free. So let's get into each individual tea. So as I'm kind of talking about them, I'm going to be putting them in their water. I always use these clear glasses because I can never find my mugs. That, and I'm too lazy to go upstairs and get them out of the cupboard. So we're going to start with the first tea on here, and this is our caffeine-free tea. And this is the Marie Curie Radiant Hibiscus from the Tea Book. And it's got organic tulsi, organic hibiscus, organic cinnamon, lemon peel, and orange peel. So this actually might be one I like. I found that I kind of like these more citrusy, fruity teas. So let's hope that I do like it. But let's, where is it? This one. Oh, this tea bag is so cute. Look at that. It's Marie Curie. That's adorable. I wonder if all of their teas are like this. I'll have to look that up. But so this one is pre-packaged. You don't have to use the disposable bags that they give you if you get a loose leaf tea. So let's get this one into the water. If you can't tell, I'm trying to go fast on this one because I've got bagels that are proofing. So, nice little tea bag here. I'm going to show you while it goes in. I like to see the color of the teas. Are you gonna have a color? Are you gonna have a, oh, I spilled. Oh no. All right, so we're gonna let this one sit. It steeps for 3 to 4 minutes, so we're gonna let that do its thing while we start to steep the next tea, which is our African Sunrise green tea from Churchill's Fine Teas, which is a low caffeine, and it steeps for 1 to 3 minutes. African Sunrise, where are you at? That ain't it. Nope, that ain't it either. There it is. So this one feels like it is a loose leaf, so I'm going to have to get a disposable tea bag out. I think I got 2 loose leaves this time, which it really honestly just depends. I never really know what I'm going to get, so. Woo! So this is what the disposable bags look like. They're paper bags, and it has a little Sips By sticker on it. So we're going to just go ahead and open this sucker up. I'm going to sniff it. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells so good. All right, let's get some in the bag. I'm so bad at, like, I never bring a teaspoon or anything to measure. So I kind of just pour it in there as best I can. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, so I made the tea bag. We're going to go ahead and drop this in the water. Bam. We're sipping. So this is what the first tea looks like so far. It's kind of infusing with purpley kind of colors, which I love a bright purple tea. I really love a bright purple tea. Alright, so the second one is steeping now. We're going to move on to the third, and this is the Peppermint Mate. And I'm telling you right now that I probably won't like this one. I'm not a huge fan of peppermint like drinks. I like mints, whatever, but peppermint in things for me is kind of weird. So I'm going to go ahead and open this guy up, and we'll see how I like it. So this is the one from the Savoy Tea Company. High caffeine. Ooh, that's minty. She's minty as heck. Okay. I don't know if you can see in there what it looks like. It just like looks like mint leaves, I guess. I don't know. Dried mint leaves. I'm bad at telling what things are. Alrighty. Megan, stop. And we're just gonna go ahead and dump some of that in. That looks like it's good enough. And we're gonna go boop and close it up and dip it in. What color are you gonna be? If you're not green, I'm just gonna be so disappointed, my friend. Oh, I forgot to say what was in the last one, my bad. Everything again will be listed below, but in that African Sunrise green tea, it's just green tea, raspberry, lemon, and rose. And then in this one, it is just yerba mate, peppermint leaves, and natural flavor. So that's fun. And then in this last one is British Brunch. British Brunch is, it has Indian Assam, Ceylon Dimbula, Ceylon Uva, and Chinese Keemum full leaf black teas. I apologize for what just happened. I am a fan of black tea. I like an Earl Grey. I like that my phone's going off right now. It means I'm somewhat popular. That's a lie. It's probably just a Twitter notification from 5 Seconds of Summer. Anyways, I really like black tea. I like Earl Grey. I like English breakfast tea, and those are kind of forms of black tea. Oh, it's already got a thing. Why did I get one out? Okay, cute. I like when they're like these pretty little mesh bags. That's what it looks like. Sorry. Okay, little guy, we're gonna get you in the tea. Okay, so we're gonna dunk this guy in. Get in your water bath. Okay, so that one is steeping. Okay, so I've got all my teas steeping here, and honestly, the first one is probably done by now. I just am gonna bother it a little bit and try to get the color to become a little bit more rich and to infuse a little bit more. I like to drag. I literally will drag this around the cup until it infuses more. This one looks like it's got a kind of a deep orange color, which I believe did have orange peel in it. So we're gonna go ahead and try this guy first. Oh gosh, here we go. This one smells like fall. I like that. I like that a lot. This reminds me of one of the ones we got in the first box. It was more fruity, and I like it. Also, if you haven't seen these videos before, you should know that if I like a tea, I tend to just chug it. Fair warning. Fair warning. Alright, this is our second tea. This was that African Sunrise green tea. Little fun guy. Fun guy. Fun guy. Also, excuse the fact that I'm not wearing makeup and this is a makeup channel, but sometimes you just can't, you know? Anyways, green tea, let's go. That is so good. Oh my god, that is so good. I like that a lot. I'm gonna order that. I'm definitely gonna order that. That is so good. Okay, I'm not very good at describing the flavor of the teas. I just know if I like them or if I don't like them. So that's all these videos are, really, is me tasting a tea and being like, oh yeah, that's good, or pass. Speaking of passes, peppermint's up next. So this is the Peppermint Mate from Savoy Tea Company. It's, again, this kind of greenish yellow color, a little bit of pea-like. Avoid that I just said that, but it's fine. We're going to try it. Oh. I'm just telling you right now, I don't think I'm going to like this. It just tastes kind of like how menthol smells. Like vapor rub, that's kind of what it tastes like. And I don't think I'm a fan of that. I'm going to take another sip and just kind of figure it out, but I don't think I'm a fan. Camera, thank you for focusing back on my face. I don't think so. And then we have our last one here. This is our black tea. Infuse. I'm just kind of trying to get it to infuse a little bit more. We're going to try it. I generally like this kind of tea, so. Heck yeah. Black tea is a win, always. I love black tea. It's one of my favorite kinds of tea. Besides like the citrus fruity kinds, this is good. It's very solid tea. Oops. So all the teas have been steeped, they have been tested, but how do they rank? So, again, if you haven't seen these videos before, at the end I always go through and rank them. So, if you want to know how these teas hold up, I'm about to tell you. Okay, so I first want to put this one, the African Sunrise Green Tea. This wins. This is first place from Churchill's Fine Teas. This makes me want to go order it right now so I have an endless supply. Second place gets Mary Curie's Radiant Hibiscus from the Tea Book. This is a really good tea. You can see it's still kind of steeping in there. You can see the color kind of diffusing. But this was a really good tea. I like all the flavors. I like the lemon and the citrus that I get in there. And I really think that would be good as an iced tea as well. So I might try that too. I always say that and I always forget. So hold me to it in the comments, please. Next I'm going to go ahead and put the British Brunch tea. I love a black tea. I would put this as first, but they're kind of boring. What? Black teas are kind of boring. If you don't like black tea, it's going to be at the end for you. But I love black tea, so it's getting a strong third. But just know this is probably the one I'm going to drink the most out of this whole box. And finally, the Peppermint Mate tea from the Savoy Tea Company. I just don't like peppermint tea. I never have liked peppermint tea, and I just don't see myself liking it anytime soon. I'm not a huge mint person if it's outside of like actual mints. So yeah. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I apologize for my incessant tea drinking and how I just chug them, and I'm bad at describing them, and I don't know why Sip Spy picks me for this, but I appreciate that they do, and I love them with my whole heart. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more tea videos like this, I am putting one out every month, every single month. It really depends on my upload schedule when they're going to be uploaded, but they do go up every single month. And I love tea, so I'll keep you updated on that, I guess. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!